I'm Leo. I'm Khalil. This is day 68 of Sky Pointe Media.
Guess what, high schoolers? Our admin has done a wonderful job of providing opportunities for you to visit with college representatives on our campus. And this time we're going to be visited by Utah Tech Thursday, December 5th. This will be right after the Thanksgiving break. It'll be in the High School Student Center at 7:45 a.m. That is Thursday, December 5th in the High School Student Center, 7:45 a.m. Get ready for a visit from Utah Tech out in St. George, a wonderful college. Attention up, athletic high schoolers. There is a winter mandatory parent night meeting for winter athletics. It's going to be Wednesday, November 20th. It's in the High School Student Center at 5:30 p.m. This is for all guardians and parents, and it is mandatory. This is for boys basketball and girls flag football. If you have any questions, please see Robert Nelson, Taylor Sinkfield, head coach of flag football Blake Miles, or Coach Rupert, and also head coach Channel Banks for boys basketball. See you guys.
Hello, ladies and gents. Mr. Duford here. I'd like to personally invite you out to the Las Vegas Motor Speedway's Glittering Lights display on Monday, December 9th. Our Premier Orchestra is going to be playing at 6 o'clock there in the amphitheater for all to enjoy. And if you purchase one of the tickets, not only do you get a VIP seat for that performance, but you get a free ride on the Santa Tram afterwards. Considering that the Santa Tram usually costs $30 per ticket, we're cutting you a steal of a deal for $21, and you get to watch the performance along with. Hope you'll consider joining us. Thanks.
Hi everybody, NHS is offering tutoring after school Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday.
It's going to be from 2:30 to 3:30 in the CSM room.
See you there!
God, I just don't understand this problem. What is 2 plus 2?
Lee, do you need tutoring?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 is...
It's 4.
Yay!
Oh my God. It's amazing.
Shine lollipops and rainbows, everything.
Thanksgiving, break November 23rd to December 1st. Enjoy the holiday and remember to give.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving tradition?
Me and my family do puzzles together
Why is that your favorite?
because it's fun.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving tradition?
With my family, I really like listening to music
Why is that your favorite?
because it's really fun and we listen to different kinds of music.
What is your favorite Thanksgiving tradition?
I like watching football
Why is that your favorite?
because I get to spend time with my family.
And there he goes. Made a little cutback move, and it looks like he's gonna go all the way. Look at him go. Wow. This is really one of those heartwarming moments in sports where you just... Oh! Oh, my God!
I'm Leo. I'm Khalil. This has been day 68 of Sky Pointe Media.
Get me some Skittles, but I didn't want to pay for them. And then one of the store attendants came up to me and was like, "Put that back." And then he grabbed my arm and I said, "Don't touch me."
Hey, Blake,